The Guano War. A conflict sparked by bird poop. You heard right. Specifically, the world's largest pile of it, sitting on the Chincha Islands off the coast of Peru. Turns out, this wasn't just any poop. It was guano, the most powerful fertilizer known to 19th century agriculture. Spain, fresh off losing most of its American colonies, saw an opportunity to regain some glory and some fertilizer. So they decided to reclaim the Chincha Islands, which they claimed were historically theirs. Cue international facepalm. Peru, understandably, wasn't thrilled about Spain waltzing in and claiming their giant poop deposit. The resulting war involved naval battles, blockades, and a whole lot of awkward diplomacy, all over bird droppings. In the end, Peru and its allies pushed Spain out, securing their sovereignty and their, valuable resource. The Guano War, proof that even the silliest things can lead to serious conflict.